हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ दीपाली गोयल। मैं आप सबका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज हम क्लास 2 फिजिक्स यूनिट 6 है, उसमें जो ऑप्टिक्स है उसमें चैप्टर सेकंड है रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट। तो उसमें आज हम लेंस मेकर फार्मूला स्टडी करेंगे। सो नाउ वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट लेंस मेकर फार्मूला। लेंस मेकर फार्मूला, द लेंस मेकर फार्मूला रिलेट्स टू द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ अ लेंस to the refractive indexes of its material and the radii of curvature of two surfaces. Okay, so now we are discuss about a derivation of this formula. So there are some assumptions. So now first assumption is the lens is so thin so that the distance measured from the poles of two surfaces of the lens can be taken as to be same as the distance measured from the optical center of the lens. Okay, second is the aperture of the lens is small, and third is the object is a point object situated on the principal axis, and the fourth is the incident and the refracted rays make small angles with the principal axis. Okay, so now next is new Cartesian sign conventions. So first is all the distances are to be measured from the optical center of the lens, and second is the distances measured in the direction of the incident ray are taken as a positive and in opposite direction taken as a negative. So now we are discuss about the diagram. So this is a lens, xy is a lens. Okay, here O is a object and situated on the principal axis and make an angle alpha 1, and when the ray of light is passes through a lens, then there is another medium, and after that it will become outside of this medium from the lens, and this is also same medium of the same as the first medium. So there are two mediums, mu1 and mu2, which are denoted by these terms. ओके, सो जो हमारे पास एक मीडियम mu1 है एंड सेकेंड इज mu2. ओ के साथ हमारे पास इमेज बनती है आई एंड देयर इज अनदर इज जो इसका जो सेकेंड मीडियम है उसमें हमारे पास I1 भी एक इमेज बनती है. ओके, सो एंगल्स आर फॉर्म्ड अल्फा 1, C1 एंड C2 आर सेंटर एंड C इज मेन ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. P1 and P2 are poles, R1 and R2 are radii. U is a distance between center to object, and V is a distance from center to image. Okay, so now next is consider a convex lens. This is a convex lens made of a material of absolute refractive indexes mu2 and placed in a optically rarer medium of absolute refractive indexes mu1. Okay, their lens is a denser medium and outside from the lens is a rarer medium. Okay, so rarer medium is a refractive index is a mu1, and in a denser medium refractive index is denoted by mu2. P1 and P2 are two poles, C1 and C2 are center of curvature, and R1 and R2 are a radii of a curvature of two surfaces, x py1 and x2 py c two surfaces. There are two surfaces, one is a x p1y and second is a x p2y. Okay, C be the optical center, suppose O is a point object placed on a principal axis of the lens. Okay, the surface x p1 forms a real image I1. According to surface x py1 image is formed a real image formed which is noted by I1. Okay, सो ये जो हमारे पास इक्वेशन आती है ये हमारे उसमें डेरिवेशन है. सो इससे पहले हमारे पास एक आर्टिकल है उसमें हम ये डेरिवेशन पूरा डिटेल में करेंगे. सो नाउ हेयर वी रिटन एज अ mu1 अपॉन p1 O प्लस mu2 अपॉन p1 I1 इक्वल्स टू mu2 माइनस mu1 अपॉन p1 C1 एंड गिवन नंबर A. ओके, लेंस इज थिन, we assumed in assumptions we already explained it. Then P1 lies very close to C, therefore P1O approximately equal to CO, and P1 I1 is approximately equal to CI1, and P1 C1 also equals to CC1. So put these values in equation A, then equation A becomes this one, and given number 1. Now let us consider refraction from the other surface. Here we have two surfaces. According to x py1 this equation is formed, and now according to x p2y of convex lens actually material of a lens does not extend beyond the surface px p2y. Okay, so therefore before the surface before the refracted ray from point a1 could meet the principal axis, so it will be a suffer refraction at the point a2 on the second surface surface x2py, and the ray of light will actually come to meet the principal axis is at point I. Okay, so point I may be considered as the real image of the virtual object I1. So this for xp2y I1 is a virtual object, and here I is a formed as a image. Okay, so may be considered as the real image of the virtual object I1 as formed due to refraction from the surface xp2y of the lens. So in this in xp2y surface it can be deduced that, so xp2y के लिए surface के लिए हमारे पास इक्वेशन आती है ये -μ2 upon p2 I1 plus μ1 upon p2i equals to μ2 minus μ1 upon p2 c2, and give a number b. So again lens is so thin, therefore p2 I1 is approximately equal to ci1, p2i equals to approximately ci, and p2 c2 approximately equal to cc2. So these values are put in equation b, and the b equation becomes this. Okay, so now equation first and second, add these two equations. When we add the these equations, then these terms are cancelled, and remaining terms μ1 upon co plus μ1 upon ci equals to μ1 and μ2 is a common from these two terms, or there are formed 1 upon cc1 plus 1 upon cc2 and give a number 3. Now next, after that, applying the new Cartesian sign conventions. According to sign conventions, the terms which are same as the incident light in the direction of incident light taken as a positive, and in opposite direction take as a negative. So CO is equals to minus O, because CO have a direction opposite to the direction to the incident ray, so that's why U is taken as a negative and V is taken as a positive. Okay, similarly R1 is taken as a positive and R2 is taken as a negative. So these values are put in equation third. Third equation is this one, and all values are put in this equation. So equation become minus μ1 upon U plus μ1 upon V is equals to μ2 minus μ1 1 upon R1 plus minus 1 upon R2, and become this type of equation. Now divided both side by μ1. Then we divided by μ1, then equation 1 become this minus 1 upon U plus 1 upon V is equals to μ2 upon μ1 minus 1 and 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Now we put the value μ2 upon μ1 is equals to μ. So this equation become this. Now we consider first principal focus and focal length. First principal focus is the position of object on the principal axis of lens for which the image is formed at infinity, and it is denoted by point f1. In this case we consider as a object is situated at a focus point. When our object is at on focus, then image formed at a infinity. These are some cases in the lens in the form of lens. So there is a when our object is at a focus and image at formed at a infinity. That's why the distance between optical center and the first principal focus is called the first principal focal length of a lens and denoted by f1. So distance between center and a focus which is denoted by f1, and it is called the first principal focus. Okay, so these values are put in equation fourth. U is a minus f1 because it is the opposite side of a incident ray. That's why we taken f1 is a negative, and V is infinity because image is formed at a infinity. And equation fourth becomes 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon infinity is equals to μ1 minus 1 and 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2, and given number this equation fifth. Now second principal focus and the focal length. Similarly, in first focal length, principal focus we take up object at a focus. Now in this case we take a object at a infinity, and when object is at infinity, then image formed at a focus. Okay, so distance between optical center and the focus, and the focus is called the second focus, second principal focus, and denoted by f2. Here f2 taken as a positive because it is the same side of a incident ray. So that here u is equals to infinity because object is at infinity and formed at a, and image formed at a focus. So and put these values in fourth equation, and fourth equation becomes 1 upon f2 is equals to mu minus 1 and 1 upon r1 minus r2 from equation 6th and 5th. Here one side equal, then second side also equal, and focus are equals to and it follows that two principal focal lengths of a lens are equal. That's why we denoted by f1 is equals to f2 is equals to f. Put this value in equation, both in equation. So equation become 1 upon f is equals to mu minus 1, 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. So this is our lens maker formula. Okay friends, सो थैंक यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट करना मत भूलिए, और मेरी ऐसी और वीडियोस को देखने के लिए मेरे बेल आइकन दबाना भी मत भूलिए. थैंक यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स.